Okay, the NASA image that I've drawn from the cosmic microwave background is a hemisphere. I said that when you try to wrap that back up, it's not a sphere, and therefore I've then drawn what I believe the sphere does look like from the information that NASA's given me, the observation in nature. And what I've ended up with is a tennis ball, because you can't draw the yin yang cannot be created into a surface of a sphere. The yin yang pattern perfection exists two-dimensionally at the equator of black and white moving towards you, black moving away from you. That's the pattern. And it's temperature. You're seeing temperature increase and temperature decrease relative to it. A pulse. And that pulse occurs in the duration of Planck's constant h. And that's the sawtooth wave of the buzz of the elastica, the piezoelectric effect, snap, 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 counter snap action, electric spark, time moving forward, all that stuff. But the model of the universe that proves that the Earth's the center. So what they're saying is that temperature exists at it's the same everywhere. Everywhere you look, you find this radiation, this pulse, this heat increase is found at the same distance everywhere. And they've drawn a hemisphere of it. That's what they detect. So what that means is you're only seeing half the sphere. You're seeing the hemisphere. And because you get the hydrogen binding energy goes through an orthogonal action of rotate, it rotates, therefore the rotation is orthogonal to the action of the equator. And a vector axis is created by the sphere itself. The 2D goes to 3D with a vector axis. And so I've assumed the tennis ball model of the hydrogen binding energy. So now you take the tennis ball model back to the surface tension of water, and you see the path of light follows the route of the tennis ball. You open that tennis ball out and you'd see you can draw the affinity symbol and draw a boundary around it. And that's the path that light takes in a sphere of hydrogen binding energy. So now I see that I look at the atmosphere of the Earth and I see the light and the dark hemispheres rotating around, and I see a cosmic microwave background with a light and a dark rotating around the same axis point at the center on the same fucking axis. The cosmic microwave background and the Earth are the same axis. And here we have the same effect of two hemispheres of light and dark. So I've just joined them back up and I've drawn the tennis ball, and now you can see how it works, because it's not dark matter, it's light, it's all light. It's all light. Just we can't see it all the same at the same time. You have to be patient. That would go round. But like the surface of the moon, it'll just we'll follow the same pattern, right? As we're rotating at the same speed. Yeah? So my proof that the Earth's the center is that this is the same distance, and you're seeing a hemisphere. I'm saying there's the model that shows the sphere. So it's the same distance inside a sphere, measured from inside a sphere. And now here's the model of hydrogen binding energy that makes it make sense. And here's fucking Dr. Victor Levy 1906 proving you already fucking know it, you bastards. Yeah? So, that's it. Model was done. The model was laid on the table for you physics, for you world. Acts 3:22-23, Revelations 13:18, Reynolds B. Eng 220, follow the Rebel King.